I try the movie hero thing. Walk confidently, like I know exactly where I'm headed. 30 seconds later, I pass the same t-shirt guy for the third time. He knows, I know. I'm walking in circles, and my cool traveler act is falling apart. My phone? Dead. No Google Maps. No help. Just me, a paper map, and Poultry Street. Suddenly, I'm back in the 90s, relying on my wits and a crumpled piece of paper that makes no sense. Maybe I should have just gone to see Big Ben like a normal tourist. At least then I'd know where I was, and I'd have 100 photos to prove it. But where's the fun in that? The best stories never start with "I followed my itinerary." They start with a long turn, missed bus, or a street you can't pronounce. So I laugh, right there, in the street. Sometimes you just have to embrace the chaos and make yourself look ridiculous. This is the adventure. Getting lost is the point. It's the only way to find something unexpected, something you'll remember long after you've gone home. I ditch the map, ditch the plan, and decide, walk toward whatever looks interesting. No more second guessing, just following my curiosity. In London, everything looks interesting, especially when you have no idea where you're going. Every street is a new possibility, every corner a potential story. My journey into the unknown officially begins, and honestly, I wouldn't have it any other way.